What's up YouTube? Steven, a salon guy here, and is a razor safe to use when getting your hair cut? And that's what we're going to be talking about today in this hair tips video. I'm going to give you some tips of when to use a razor and when not to use a razor. Let's do it. So this is a feather razor. This is a commonly used razor in the salon industry. And what it is basically a tool that's designed to remove weight from the hair, but also create a much softer line when cutting. When is it not really good to use a razor? I would not use a razor on someone who's got extremely curly hair and whose hair has a tendency to really frizz up, because what this is doing, it's scraping, the layers of hair, and that's just gonna make it even frizzier. In my opinion, I stay away from someone who's got kind of, curly hair and that has a tendency to really frizz up a lot, that you're always blow drying it straight, unless honestly you're gonna wear your hair straight all the time, then it's a little better, but still I would not take a razor to someone who's got very, very curly, kind of frizzy, textured hair. Also on very fine or thin hair. So the reason that you use a razor is because if the hair is a bit thick and it's got, enough density to actually remove some of the weight on the ends, okay? If you're using a razor on someone who's got really, really fine hair, or thinning hair, so to speak, because you can have a lot of hair and the actual hair strand is a finer texture. But if you have like fine hair and it's thinning, I would not use a razor whatsoever. And if someone's gonna use a razor, make sure they are very, very experienced and know exactly what they're doing. But me, I personally wouldn't suggest it. So what is a razor really good for, and who is it good for? It's great for men and women. Let's talk about men first. It's great for adding texture into the hair, right? Like I'm doing this and I'm just going in through the ends of the hair. If you go in too close to the scalp right here, what's gonna happen is you're gonna actually remove so much weight that it's gonna look like you're balding in through here, because you're actually scraping off layers of hair. You do not wanna do that. The best thing you wanna do when using a razor is you wanna make sure that you're getting it more towards, the mid shaft to the ends, because that's where you want to remove the weight, right in through down here. You don't ever really want to make your hair look thinner at the scalp area. And then for hair cutting, again, if the client has a lot of hair and you want to add a much softer look to the haircut, a razor is great for making the hair lay closer to the head, because what it's doing is it's actually scraping off layers of hair, almost like if you took a carrot and you started to kind of slice on that layer of carrot, it's eventually going to kind of, the carrot's going to thin out a lot. And that's what you are doing with the hair when you use a razor. Now, this is, an interesting mix between professionals watching this and also clients watching this. If you're a client watching this, it's good that you know what a razor is for and what it will do. And if you're a professional watching this, maybe you'll pick up a couple of techniques, because this is very, very helpful. The one thing about when you're using a razor is you really want to make sure that when you're applying the razor onto the hair, that you're laying it flat. All right, let's get a little closer so you can see. So if the hair is relatively short, say on a men's haircut, you can do razor over comb like this. And what you're doing is you're actually scraping off the top layer. Now I do it this way just because I like to push the hair down and make it lay nice and flat this way. This way I can really see where all the weight is. You want to lay the razor as flat. I can go like this all day long and no hair is going to come off this head. See, nothing is coming off. The minute you turn the blade in, that's when the hair starts to come off. So that's why you want to really be careful when using this if you're a professional, and make sure that you really understand what you're doing. So as you can see now, I'm scraping off that extra bulk. And what that's going to do, it's actually going to allow for the weight, the heavy area to grow out much closer to the head. And it's a really, really great technique. And this also goes for women too, all right? Now, if you're getting your hair cut and the stylist wants to use a razor on you, make sure that your hair is the right texture and you're the right fit for it. But a lot of times, what they'll do is just really cut the hair and they're skimming off the ends and creating a new shape. That again will make it grow out much softer, and it'll make it lay a lot closer to the head, and the lines are very, very soft. So it's a good technique if your hair calls for it. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when my videos go live. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.